Hello YouTube, it's the signing from BrothersWhoCode. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys the first error that I encountered, the first massive error I encountered when learning to code, how I fixed it, and the biggest lesson I learned from it. So, a few years ago when I started learning to code in 2017, I believe, when I was 8 years old, I encountered the first math error. I encountered many errors before this, but this one stumped me for over 2 months, and the craziest part is that it's a simple, easy solution to this problem, but back then I didn't know how to fix it, and it was actually stumped my entire learning process, and it slowed down everything. And it was an error involving a header. And if you know anything about headers, or if you don't, they're just the top part of the website, which has links. Usually it would be like the top part of the website, the login page or the about section, or just links to click on to navigate through the website. And when I first started to learn how to do HTML CSS, I couldn't know how to space out elements to be all across the header. So if across the header would be like, if you had 4 elements, it would be one to the left, one in the middle, one to the right, and another one to the farthest right, and that would be how that would be laid out. But when you start learning to code and doing normal HTML CSS, normally it's stacked up 4 on top of each other, and I didn't know how to space them out all the way. But in the end, me and my whole family, because we were all doing that project at the same time, particularly me and my dad, ended up figuring out the error, and it was so simple. It was just a few extra lines of code. But the biggest reason why we were able to figure it out is because we did extra research on the topic, and that's how we discovered that you have to use something called a CSS grid to space out those elements. Now, ever since then, I figured out there's multiple ways that you can space out your header or any element. But that was the initial first big problem that we solved. And yeah, the biggest lesson that I learned from it is that you need to be able to know how to do your research. You need to be able to implement it and understand it, and you need some resilience to not give up on your problem. So yeah, that was the video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.